Okay, foodies, for some fantastic convection steam oven Italian meatloaf, all you'll need is a pound of ground beef. You can certainly use an alternate meat like bison or ground turkey. Next, a ½ pound of Italian sausage. You can certainly omit this and add in another ½ pound of your preferred meat. Next, a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg. This is 1 chopped shallot, a 1/4 cup of diced carrot, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and finally you'll add salt, pepper, and garlic powder to taste. And I'll be putting a ½ teaspoon of each into our mixture today. Then you'll just need 1 large bowl to combine all your ingredients and create your meatloaf. Then you will put it into a casserole dish. I will be using a 2-quart size casserole dish today. Okay, foodies, this is our beautiful Italian meatloaf, and it's now ready to be loaded into the convection steam oven. Our meatloaf is loaded into the convection steam oven on the wire rack on level 2. You're going to bake your Italian meatloaf on convection humid at 345 degrees, and we are going to set the timer for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'll show you the next step. Okay, foodies, 45 minutes is up. So leave your convection steam oven on. Just hit your timer button and turn that off. What you're going to want to do next, first of all, look at how amazing our meatloaf is looking so far. Absolutely fantastic. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to pull this meatloaf out, and I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, foodies, here's our meatloaf. We still have another 15 minutes to go, and I know some of you are fans of tomato sauce or ketchup on your meatloaf. This is the point where I like to put on a little ketchup and brush it onto the meatloaf, and then put it back into the oven for another 15 minutes. And you're gonna leave your convection steam oven on the convection humid mode at 345. You're just gonna set the timer for another 15 minutes. And then your fantastic Italian meatloaf is gonna be ready for you to enjoy. Foodies, our beautiful and amazing Italian meatloaf. Just another fantastic benefit of your convection steam oven. The convection humid mode keeps that meatloaf nice and moist perfectly throughout the entire loaf. And meatloaf goes great with wine anytime. My particular favorite, Delectable Cave's Cave Blend. Happy eating. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's culinary hot take. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Eva, the Steam Oven Diva.